Hello everybody. So guys, in this lecture we're going to talk about the headings. The headings in a Bootstrap. You can see that I just put a simple introduction heading. So go to the browser and refresh that. So there is the introduction. You can see that I'm going there. So this is a simple thing we did in a Bootstrap. The only difference you can see, you may notice here, it's little bolder than the normal HTML, the HTML heading, the H1. So what's new in a Bootstrap H1? There is a complete section for headings. By the way, just notice that the font weight is a little increased. It's now more bolder than the previous one. But if you just go there and you just put it the H1 again, and you just put something like introduction again, the same thing I'm just putting, just to make you sure that there is a real difference. By the way, yes, there are. Display one, save it. Let's just see what we've did here. So I'm just going there and refresh that now. Wow, this is really cool and big actually in comparison to the common one. You can see that is a big one. So this is the new thing in a Bootstrap. And actually Bootstrap 4, the Bootstrap 3 had nothing like that. So I'm going down and putting the H1 again, another introduction, and with this introduction I'm just putting another class like that and just going inside in the display 2, save it. Now go back to the browser and refresh that, and now you can see that this is the level 2 of the display. And in the same way, if you just go down and just make another H1, I'm just showing you the display things. This is absolutely the heading stuff. And there are 4 displays, by the way. Introduction, okay, awesome. Now simply copy that and paste it here and just make it display 4 and save it. Now go to the browser back and refresh that. So now you can see there is the this one is actually less bolder than the original one. So absolutely it's making change, but you can use whatever you prefer from all of them. Even if you just notice there is a little difference in the font style too, the boldness actually, it's sharp and this bold. So you can use them whenever you want and whatever you want. And one more interesting thing here I would like to discuss with you about the headings in Bootstrap. For example, if I just go there and I'm making a new column, by the way, class, new column, going inside and just making a new H1, and here the heading, and I'm just actually going there and just making inside the heading, I'm just making the small tag. In here I'm just typing something like summary, or the subtitle or whatever you want to say, or subheading. Go there and refresh that. So now you'll notice this is something like that. Go there and add a space here and refresh that. Now okay, the actual heading and the small form of this heading. So by using this small tag, you can see that we just got something like that. So this is how it works. You can use this small tag with all of the headings like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So I just wanted to show you how it works, then you can apply it on your own. So in the next lecture we'll be talking about the other text stuff of the Bootstrap. So stay tuned and good.